Welcome to this training module on the preparation of contingency plans, an essential component of advanced firefighting for Filipino seafarers. A contingency plan is a structured, predetermined course of action designed to guide shipboard personnel during emergencies. Its purpose is to minimize confusion, reduce response delays, and ensure that every crew member understands their role during a critical event such as fire, flooding, grounding, or hazardous cargo incidents. When preparing a contingency plan, several key factors must be evaluated to ensure that the plan is complete, realistic, and effective for the vessel's operations. 1. Type of vessel and nature of operations. 2. Identification of hazards and potential emergencies. 3. Ship layout and available equipment. 4. Crew composition, training, and competencies. 5. Company SMS, flag state, and IMO requirements. Plans must comply with ISM code, SOLAS, and STCW standards, ensuring uniform procedures across the fleet. 6. Communication and coordination arrangements. 7. Environmental and operational conditions. These factors ensure that the contingency plan is not generic, but a reliable guide crafted for the vessel's unique risks and operational realities. IMO Resolution A.1072-28 outlines the revised guidelines for a structure of an integrated system of contingency planning for shipboard emergencies. This resolution requires that every emergency response plan follows a structured and systematic process to ensure clarity and effectiveness. The first step is to identify all foreseeable emergencies. For fire contingencies, this includes 1. Machinery space fires. 2. Electrical fires. 3. Accommodation fires. 4. Cargo fires, including dangerous goods. 5. Galley fires. 6. Fuel and oil system leaks. In accordance with IMO A.1072-28, each contingency plan must state clear and achievable objectives. For fire emergencies, these typically include 1. Protect life. 2. Prevent escalation. 3. Contain the fire. 4. Extinguish the fire using the safest method. 5. Protect the environment and ship integrity. The contingency plan must clearly assign duties to each member of the fire party, support teams, and command group. Assignments must align with the muster list, ensuring 1. Clear chain of command. 2. Accountability. 3. Proper use of skills and certifications. A contingency plan must provide step-by-step actions for each team. These sequences include 1. Initial detection and alarm response. 2. Investigation and assessment. 3. Boundary cooling and containment. 4. Fire suppression strategy. 5. Shutdown of fuel, ventilation, and power systems. 6. Communication pathways at each stage. IMO A.1072-28 emphasizes integration with the company's emergency response structure. Contingency plans must include procedures for notifying 1. Company designated person ashore, DPA. 2. Port authorities. 3. Local firefighting brigades. 4. Coast Guard or rescue coordination centers. Contingency plans must be easy to locate, clearly written, and accessible in both hard copy and digital format. All crew members must know where the plans are kept and how to interpret them during emergencies. A complete contingency plan for fire emergency includes 1. Identified hazards. 2. Clear objectives. 3. Defined roles and responsibilities. 4. Action sequences and decision points. 5. Coordination protocols with shore-based support. 6. Documentation for easy use during emergencies. This ensures readiness, discipline, and professional response at all times. Effective contingency planning transforms individual actions into coordinated ship-wide response. By understanding the factors involved, applying IMO A.1072-28, and developing structured fire emergency plans, every Filipino seafarer contributes to a safer and more resilient vessel. And a well-crafted contingency plan ensures that in every emergency, the crew is ready.